Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student PANCHAMI. She got placed in a company. Now she is going to share experience about PySpiders.
Good morning, my name is Panchami. So on June 2024, I have joined the PySpider and I have come through incubation program. And in PySpider, I have choose full stack Python developer course. And Python, I have learned Python, SQL, ongoing with Django, and I've completed web technology. And there's RT classes also I've attended. And my Python class was handled by Keshav sir, and SQL by Murli sir, and Django class by Alex sir. And there was many assignment given by the trainees, and I've attended grooming class sessions also, and we have been done many presentations also. Presentation helped me more to improve my communication skills and my technical skills in programming languages and all. So overall, I felt really good by entering to this PySpider. It helped me a lot, and I really want to say thankful for all my faculties and HR team members. So, and I have got placed for the role of assistant software engineer, and yeah, I am glad to be here. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, how grooming were helpful to crack the interview?
During the grooming classes, sir taught from the full basic to the all the concepts were clear in the grooming session. So if we listen to grooming session, it would be very helpful for us to attend the interviews also, interview point of view also. The grooming session is separate and the classroom training will be separate. In the grooming session, they will teach us from the depth till the full complete concept will be taught in the grooming session, and they practice us many programming languages, to write a program code and all. So grooming also helped me a lot to attend.
Okay, I wish all the best for her further career.
Thank you so much, sir.